I swear my shed is possessed. It keeps moving on me. No, for real though. I got this Furniwell outdoor metal storage shed, and in fact, you can get it at Bed Bath & Beyond for less than $350.
Pretty straightforward. Just gonna put the bottom frame, walls, roof, door, done. 5 steps, 4 steps, 4 steps.
What are we doing, John?
For anybody who gives a crap, Michael commandeered me at my office while I'm working in my nice clothes and said, hey, come help me build a metal shed. And I said, Michael, I love you, I'll do it, but I've got a certain amount of time, so we're gonna rush through this. However, I didn't have a change of clothes, so don't hate for me wearing Michael's size 18 shoes when I'm not a size 18. Look at that. If you see me tripping and falling, it's not my fault. And don't hate me on my shoes and my outfit. This is what friends do. Well, those aren't sunglasses.
Where are your sunglasses?
They're not gonna help me. How many ways can we come up with how Michael can be a bad example? Number 1, no gloves. Number 2, bad shoes. Number 3, stacking your ladder on your wood with electrical cord wrapped up in it. Number 4, being like almost in your 50s and really still enjoying jumping on a trampoline. That's a bad example. Shouldn't be doing that at your age. That corner is a bad example. That's number 5. Here he comes.
He's knocking over here.
Nope. You are such a good example.
Thank you.
Gotta set a good example.
So I didn't realize this, but the company does provide you with nice gloves, which is really nice. I don't know they'll fit my hands. We should try. It is very nice that they provide you gloves.
It was at this point that I realized that my friend John was nowhere to be found. In fact, I didn't even know he left. I guess he just gave up on me. Guess I didn't set a good enough example for him. John, please come back. Please still be my friend. After assembling the shed on this side of the yard, I decided to move it onto the other side, and it was actually surprisingly easy just to lift it from the inside and walk it straight over to where I wanted it placed. So I moved the little paver base that I made, and then I actually ended up rotating it one more time to its final location. Who knows, I might move it again, but I do like where it's at now, and it's a great accessory to my other storage sheds. also got the Furniwell 100-gallon resin deck box that is waterproof. It's a large deck box and it's just some additional storage. So I put it together. It had nice hydraulic shocks for the lid, and overall I was pretty impressed, especially for the price that it's under $120, currently on sale. So definitely check the links in the description of this video. But it was a nice compliment right here on the side. I'm just going to put some additional odds and ends. And then I very quickly filled up the entire shed, but I was impressed at how many things that I could fit in this storage shed and still have a little room left over. It was very useful.